Would you actually pay money for the dinner where they spray perfume on your food, put gold in your soup, and make you wear lab coats? Yeah, that's actually a real thing. It's Chef's Table on Star Princess cruise ship. 6 courses, the whole staff moving in sync, and they take you behind the scenes into the kitchen that feeds more than 4,000 people.
Guys, just wait until course 5. That one definitely made us laugh. But first, you gotta dress for it, so we did a little fit check, got a bit lost in casino, and finally found Makoto Ocean.
Yeah, that's a sushi specialty restaurant, the spot where everybody in our group was meeting up. The second actually we walked in, they handed us champagne.
Oh yeah, which honestly is the best way to start any night.
Agree. We got to chat with a few really cool families there. They've done Chef's Table on the other Princess cruise ships, and before they were super curious if this one will be better.
Since it's a new ship, it should, right?
Well, I definitely hope so.
So right on time, Claudio Giuliani came over. He runs all the restaurants on the ship, and he basically told us that our experience starts now.
Honey, it's Claudio Giuliani. So this is where we got weird. For safety and sanitary reasons, we had to take off our jackets and put those white lab coats. And I'm just gonna say it, we actually looked that Breaking Bad vibe. We look legit. The Walter White would be honestly jealous. So people took the elevator, but Z and I said no. Let's take the stairs and burn off them few calories before all this food. Plus, it was actually walking downstairs, not upstairs. Down at the kitchen, executive chef was waiting for us. He's another Italian guy. That name that nobody can pronounce. Now look, I've seen busy kitchens. This was not that. This was another level. The whole place was spotless. Well, yeah, you can imagine they cook for over 4,000 people every night, and you have to be upbeat, super friendly, and smiling all the time. No, honestly, that's impressive.
Chef David gave us a few more crazy numbers.
It's Davide.
Tamasin, blin.
Then he sent us off, which was perfect timing because by now, me and Z, we were starving. Princess built this gorgeous chef's table at the little closed off section in the main dining room, so it feels like you're completely tucked away from this huge crowd of people.
The service starts immediately. There's even a photographer right there taking portraits of everyone.
Then we met our sommeliers for the night. They told us they will be pairing 5 different wines with our courses. And yeah, everyone at the table was giddy, was so excited at this point. Course 1, Boucheuse Gummer whatever, the whole staff lined up and lifted several lids at the exact same time. And honestly, it gave me this The Menu movie vibes, without obviously the scary part and killings. It looked so good.
And that first bite of the langoustine tart with the lemon pulp, way more flavorful than I expected. Course 2 was the wild asparagus soup. They pour it right at the table over the little mushroom extract and top it with the real gold flake.
Yeah, if you don't eat gold on a cruise ship, I don't know what you're doing with your life, right? And as we enjoyed the soup, the sommelier opened up the blinds. Look at this. We were sailing away from Amber Cove in Dominican Republic right as the sun was going down. Come on.
That was so beautiful.
I agree. It was beautiful. Next was the cucumber and elderflower granada. And I hope I pronounced it right. And it came with this fancy little gold tin on the side. And oh my goodness, not gonna lie, I lost it. I thought we were about to eat an actual expensive beluga black caviar and the whole can. No, it was freaking black boba tea pearls, a palate cleanser, dang, They totally got me. Well played, princess. Well played. Back to those synchronized lid reveals for course number 4.
The Chilean Cibas, this one was stunning. It came with the Stilton scallop potato and the sea grapes, and they poured this rich gravy substance all over it. It looked perfect. And the fish, it was phenomenal.
Yum.
Yum!
While sommeliers were pouring the wine, we actually looked at the bottles and researched how much they cost. They were not that expensive as we thought it would be. But they were actually pretty good. And big shout out to the staff here. If you have some kind of dietary restrictions or you don't drink, made a custom dishes for those people and non-alcoholic drinks so they won't feel left out. That was really nice of them, actually.
And now the big one, the filet mignon. It came with the purple Cornish puree and this little baby root vegetable tart.
The steak was seasoned absolutely perfectly. It just melts in your mouth. Oh, and they added a little extra something special on the top of the steak. They popped a swirly buttercup or whatever that is on top, which honestly, it kind of looked like a fancy version of poop emoji.
Still delicious though, and nice touch.
And then Z decided it was a time to show off her professional wine swirling skills. Definitely got applause from sommelier, probably. And after Z approved the wine, we just, moved on to the next course.
For the final dessert, the citrus perfume, and this one was wild. The chef walked around the table with the actual antique perfume bottle, spraying this little mist over the lemon peel ice cream and the grapefruit preserves.
So the honest thought, my first thought was somebody ripped a big one at the table and they were trying to cover it up. But no, it was actually really clever way to get your nose involved before you take a bite of that beautiful dessert. And honestly, it was amazing. Then they brought a second little dessert plate with little pastries. They were like kind of little cute pastries, but they also gave us these super thin golden tweezers to eat them with, but the desserts were way too big for those tweezers, so I just bent it a little bit, just a little bit to open it up, and problem solved. They worked really well. To finish the night, all the chefs who made each course came out and everybody applauded them. And then they gave us this beautiful gift type of folder to take home with us. It had our photo with the chef and director printed inside and the copy of the menu, which actually was helpful because we used that menu to say these difficult names of the dishes because, believe me, we love food, but not to that extent to remember all these crazy names. So what's our verdict? I think it was worth it, every single penny. What do you think?
Yes, 100% agree with that. It was amazing.
And here's the thing. We found out that Princess does this chef table experiences all different on every ship. So now we have a perfect excuse to book another ship and another experience on that ship.
Oh, hell yeah, as soon as possible.
Chef,
Thank you so
would you mind to do us the honor of a modern selfie? Thank you so much. Just get closer.
So thank you guys so much for hanging out with us for this dinner. We had so much fun and I hope you did too. If you like this video, please don't hesitate to hit the like button, slap the subscribe button, and join the Feast and Find family. We would love to have you with us.
We got more cruise stuff and more food tours coming.
And let us know in the comments below if you would actually try some of these dishes, or you wouldn't. Well, see you next one, guys.
It is an unoaked Chardonnay from Santa Barbara, also organic with notes of white peaches, golden apples, and pears. And please do swirl it. And after you swirl it, when you smell it, you will find all of those flavors over there as the glass. It's meant to deliver and to make the wine and to open the wine faster. So please do enjoy it. And I think I'm surrounded. Hey!